I got to admit, I was a little jealous that she got to go.
Siempre estoy dispuesto a ir a México, cualquier excusa.
In fact, I'm jealous of Joe Biden.
Thank you. You're probably jealous of the First Lady. She's Jimmy Fallon's trainer, while you, on the other hand, deal with Leader Reid and Speaker Boehner.
And on his trip last year, he had the chance to come to California, including, I understand, going to a Lakers game, which I was very jealous of.
And I got to say, Michelle got a little jealous because they were, I was getting kisses, and I came home and had all this lipstick on my collar, and Michelle said, "What's going on there?" I said, "No, I was just campaigning."
They're just jealous.